and we are back with another video. Okay, as y'all can see by the title of this video, we're going to be doing a challenge for you guys. Okay. So we're going to be doing this challenge that we kind of made up, but it probably somehow, some kind of other way, whatever.
We came up with it, but I'm not sure if anybody is.
Yeah, I haven't.
I didn't check, because, like, you know, when you check something, you'll be like, man, somewhere. Then you don't want to do it no more. So we came up with it, like, we're not going to check, we're just going to do it. You know what I'm saying? If it go crazy, go crazy. If it don't, it just don't. We're going to keep rocking.
So yeah, guys, we're going to be doing truth. What is it? Spin or truth? I mean,
no,
spin or drink. Spin or drink.
Yeah.
So basically, what we're gonna do is we listed 14 thingies here on the board, on this little spin the wheel thingy.
Really 12.
It's 12. Yeah, 12, because 2 of them are shot. Yeah. So we have about 12 things on here, plus the 2 shot slots, that we have to spin this wheel, and whatever it lands on, we have to do it. If we don't want to do it, we have to take a shot, guys.
Take a shot.
If y'all remember that last video involving alcohol, it did not end so well with me.
Whew. Guys, this not going there, because I'm gonna stop this video before you even get close.
Yeah.
I don't want to deal with that. That's like dealing with that whole babysitter, whole 2-year-old. I ain't trying to deal with that.
Yeah, he had to take care of me, y'all. He did good. Yeah, but it ain't for me. So yeah, guys. So this time we got the smaller ones. What are these?
No, it can't. Last time I didn't get any because I couldn't find it.
Yeah.
I found some right now. NEC. You know what I'm saying? We got the Camberberry.
I got.
Only thing missing is some ice.
Yeah, I got Amsterdam watermelon this time. Last time he had Amsterdam apple. I had Ciroc.
I don't remember.
It was some kind of. I think it was mango. Mango Ciroc, something like that. So yeah, guys, on here we have drink cooking oil. We have we have put on other person's clothes.
Oh man, I remember I did that. It didn't go so well.
Yeah. We have drink ketchup and hot sauce. We have go outside in underclothes. We have shots, ice bath, drink egg and milk.
What?
Yeah, egg and milk.
Drink egg and milk?
Drink egg and milk. Yes, sir. And buttermilk. But not just butter, not just milk, but buttermilk.
Yeah.
What?
No.
We have shaved beard or eyebrows. Eat potato.
Yeah, we already don't got the eyebrows, so.
Yes, I do.
That's an easy zing. You might as well just
shut up. Just give me some of this then. So we got eat potato and sardines blended. It's gonna be blended.
I'll tell you right now, whoever get that, if we do it, that blender going in the trash.
Trash, okay?
And your stomach is going to the hospital.
You are. Throw egg at person.
What you mean by that is if we're gonna show it, like, we gonna show the egg at somebody. We don't want to show the egg.
Whoever lands on to get an egg thrown at them. So if if he land on the egg, has to be thrown at him.
So it's 2 eggs.
Yeah. And this one right here is my favorite that I hope he lands on. Calling Granny the B word.
Yeah, right.
That's gonna be so funny.
Yeah, right. I've got this whole thing done so fast. Yeah, right.
Okay, we have shots. We have soda and Mentos. And the last one is sexy text to the first letter of contact. So basically that one is whenever you go in your contacts and you search whoever you're looking for, you're gonna search the first letter. I'm gonna give him a letter if he lands on it. He's gonna give me a letter if I land on it. He's gonna give me, say for example, B. I have to put B in. Whoever's the first one, I have to send him a sexy text, basically. So yeah, guys, that's exactly what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna get straight into this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a video, and let's go, y'all. This is gonna be a banger.
Go.
So,
wait, right for the series? All right.
Okay, best 2 out of 3.
Okay, best of 3. Yeah, best of 3. Okay.
2 out of 3. Okay.
Yeah.
Rock paper to shoot. Okay, you got that one. Rock paper to shoot. Rock paper to shoot. I got that one. Rock paper to shoot.
Let's go. I won, right?
Yes.
Oh, so you spin first?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You annoying.
Let's go.
You ready?
Wait, you gotta stay over here. I'm tripping. We're tripping.
He just wanted me to rub up against him.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, got a fatty.
You retarded.
Got a fatty.
But you did that on purpose. It's alright. I'm gonna get you next time.
Drink egg and buttermilk.
Damn, that's how we starting off. Y'all did this.
Egg and buttermilk.
Babe, buttermilk is so.
Egg and buttermilk or drink? What's it gonna be? Oh, you're drinking already? Oh man, this ain't gonna end well.
Oh my god, I feel sick already.
This ain't gonna end well. You're already drinking.
Oh my gosh, did I eat today? Y'all gotta take a shot. I'm not doing no buttermilk. Egg is no. Ooh, y'all. That's a shot?
That's fine, yeah.
Yo! Y'all see that? Okay.
One gulp.
No, I can't do it like that.
So why you put so much in for?
Okay.
No, you already drink. Just drink it. One. Yeah. You have 2 times.
You ready?
We're not bad day. Come on, got down. Got. Woo! You play the same cup? Alright guys, my turn, Jenna. Oh God, please be on my side today. Drink a shot. Oh
yeah.
Man. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
My side.
I got pour it out too?
Yeah.
Oh man, okay, that's fine.
You gonna pour the same? Okay.
I wasn't gonna pour it, but oh well.
Oh my gosh. Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah. Ready. Come on, let's go.
That one's
Let's go. Let's go.
I don't want to do no more. That stuff nasty.
Let's go.
Ugh.
Let's go.
Something I'll do.
Let's go.
Sexy text to the first letter. Okay, I'll do that.
So I gotta give you a letter.
You gotta give me a letter.
Alright.
Should I screen record it?
Yeah, screen record.
Okay.
You want me to feel that one in my chest? Buck side. She has it on my chest.
Put it in your chest. Alright, you ready? Go. Give me a letter. Give me a letter.
S.
S. Oh, heck no. Babe, this is my coworker.
That's his last name though.
But that's the first word that popped up.
What you gonna do?
Shoot. Y'all, this is my coworker. Shit, I don't care.
You finna send it to?
I'm finna sexy text him. Babe, this
What?
is literally.
What?
Y'all, what is considered as a sexy text? Like, hey boo, what you doing?
It's all to you. It's up to you. It's up to you.
Y'all, this is my coworker. Okay. I'm gonna say, hey boo, what you doing? With a winky face. Yo.
Oh man, hey, you better chill out. It was just a video. I don't want to knock your ass out.
Yo, what if he sends something back? Where's the winky face? Did I miss it, y'all? Oh, there you go. It's cool.
That's cool. I mean, that's considered sexy, I guess.
Is that considered sexy, y'all?
I don't know.
I gotta keep it respectful because he's my coworker. But
I'm gonna give you benefit of the doubt.
Okay. No, is that sexy?
Huh?
Is that sexy though?
It's not sexy.
Okay, what I gotta do?
Hey sexy, what you doing? I don't know.
Oh gosh.
Tough. I don't know if it's that much.
Ah!
It's a calling him still. It's up to you.
I'm not drinking that shit. No.
It's up to you.
I'm gonna say, hey sexy, what you doing? With a winky face. Oh my god, he gonna be like.
Who?
Ah!
She sent it too?
I sent it.
Oh, you have Android. Say, you sure when they deliver and stuff?
No, I don't think so.
Who?
Should I wait for him to text back or leave it like this? And then see what he say.
Alright, so she did it, so you know what I'm saying? If you respond, if you respond, we'll move on. So I got to my turn now. My turn. It's in
Your
me.
turn.
My turn.
You wanna come over here? I'm scared.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
What?
Drink ketchup and hot sauce. Ow. Ketchup and hot sauce. Hey. Come on, I'm finna get it, cause I'm finna pour it in your mouth.
White.
Huh. Y'all, this is the Jamaican hot sauce.
Let me pour some of this because that must hot enough.
This is the Grace Jamaican brand, right? Jamaican brand?
Yeah, Jamaican brand. Yeah.
Jamaican brand hot pepper sauce. It's not hot sauce, y'all. It's hot pepper sauce.
Habanero peppers. That's what Americans call it, right?
Habanero pepper.
Yeah. What y'all do?
What y'all do?
Gee, y'all got bunny up here?
One eternity later.
No, you can't pour them at the same time.
Why?
You have to one at a time.
No, it gotta be mixed.
I mean, if you pour it.
It gotta be mixed.
No, y'all crazy, man.
No, come on.
Babe, come on, no.
Babe, come on.
Babe, come on. Really?
Come on.
I cannot drink?
Get a little sip.
I can drink.
Get a little sip.
I can drink.
Yeah.
I don't have to do it.
You want to? It's up to you. Take that shot and get this.
Bro.
Take that shot and get this. You want this?
Come on. Give me ketchup first.
Okay.
Ketchup first. Ketchup first.
Okay.
Way up. Ketchup first. Don't be a Mr. Yo, me chokes, yo. Be a.
Babe.
Come on.
Come on. Open your mouth.
Yeah, try to push them in the nose, fuck. Come on.
Oh,
Yeah, don't put too much in her.
You better open your mouth.
Come on.
I wish I could see his face over here. Alright, come on.
Move this, come on. One at a time.
Okay, come on. You ready? No, it gotta be mixed. If you swallow that, I promise you. Y'all, he not texting me back. I'm finna text him and be like, hey, why you answering my text?
That's good. You can start the recording.
Y'all, he didn't text back.
Alright, you gotta text me.
My turn. Y'all, I'm scared. I don't want another shot. I really don't.
Come on, let me find some ice. Yes! I just... Oh, you happy with that? Yes! Yo, let's go! Bro, I was just praying I can land on that. Let's go. Ice spot. Let's go. Let's run it up.
Shot.
Guys, we're going to cut the camera off. We're going to turn it back on when we set the ice spot up.
I just said I'm taking a shot.
What?
Yeah, I'm taking a shot.
No, what? You taking a shot for real?
I'm taking a shot. No, I just like, come on, we're gonna do the ice bath.
You do the ice bath? Let's go!
You know my nerves, because I'm hot anyway. So come on, let's go. I think I can take
You
the
gotta
ice
stay there
bath.
for 20 seconds.
How long is 20 seconds? So like, how long?
Don't remember how long is that?
Oh.
Come on, stop the
Alright,
camera.
guys, I'm fit to go do this ice bath.
Alright, guys, so the ice bath is all set. Well, it's not really an ice bath because, guys, we made a mistake. I will put the ice bath. We put the ice in there first, and the ice melted. But we're still gonna do it. So hey, come on,
He
let's
put
go.
this big old chunk of ice in here. Y'all look at this big old.
Man, get goddamn water, man. Come on, get in the water. Come on, get in the water. It's melting. Come on, get in the water.
It's that big old chunk of ice there. It's not gonna melt.
Sit on that water. Sit down.
This is cold.
You know what?
You push me. What? No, babe, you go.
Sit on that water, no man.
Wait.
Go in that water. No man. Sit down. Sure. Man, come on, man.
Wait in the water.
Guys, she's just wasting time now.
This is cold.
Man, your minute still haven't started yet. I'm letting you know that. Your minute's left. I haven't started a minute yet. Come on. As soon as you say I started. Guys, she let all the ice melt.
Yo, this water is cold. Put your feet in here. Put your feet in here.
I'm good.
Put your feet in here.
I'm good. Sit down. Yeah, chop. Come on, sit down. Man, guys, the minute still hasn't started. She got to sit in here for 1 minute. You hasn't started. That minute hasn't started. You could have been done already.
Be quiet. I'm in.
No, the minute ain't started, right? The minute is not starting yet.
Babe, what the hell?
The longer you wait, we're going to wait all day. You might as well sit.
Don't do that. Stop. I'm going to kick your ass.
No. Baby.
Stop.
All right, you got to drink.
No.
Are you drinking?
No.
Okay, you come
I'm
on.
good. I'm getting in here. I gotta do my process. Thank
Wait,
you.
this video a whole 10-minute video.
No, I'm not. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Is that 1 minute? Is that 1 minute?
I'm not even started. You got to sit in it completely.
God, take this chunk out. Take it out.
You gotta sit in it completely.
Okay.
You gotta sit in it completely. You gotta sit in it completely. You gotta sit in it completely. You gotta sit in it completely.
I'm in it.
Put your legs down. I haven't started me yet. Put your legs down. Put them legs down.
Okay, I'm in there.
Drop
They're
them
in
legs.
there.
Sit down.
I'm in.
Sit.
Start my fucking timer.
Sit.
I'm sitting.
Sit.
I'm sitting. Well, I'm kicking your ass. Start my timer.
I started it. We're gonna wait for this to reach a minute.
Let me see, because I don't trust you. Keep it on me. Ooh.
Don't worry about it.
That's 15 minutes. What that is?
What? It's
Uh.
20 seconds.
I can't feel my feet back. Let me see.
Wait, 30 seconds. Come on, man.
30.
You should not
Get
drink.
this big ass ice.
Put the big ice ice. Huh.
Oh.
Guys, she let all the ice melt.
Get in here. Get in here.
So I can hear a problem.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Father,
Let me
20
see.
seconds. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there.
Oh. Ooh.
Almost
Okay,
there.
I can't feel it now. Okay.
Almost there.
It's just my feet. It's just my feet.
All right, calm down.
Mm.
5,
Mm.
4,
Jesus.
3,
Take the wheel.
2, 1.
Let me see.
It's a minute. You
Ah.
good. You're straight.
Ooh.
You're straight. You're straight. You're straight. Why? No, what's my place? No, what's my place? No, what's my place? No, what's my place? Alright, guys. Now, as you guys see, that was a little hectic. It took her 10 years to get in the water, but we're back. She finally did it.
Y'all seen this fool push me in there?
You took too long.
Oh.
You took too long.
I had to ease myself in there.
I was going for 5 minutes.
Man,
I'm like, Drew, get down and drop.
you annoying.
But yeah, we're back. All right, it's my turn. God, please be on my side right now. You did good to me last round. I need to be still doing good to me. What you gonna say?
Be on my side. Eat potatoes and sardines.
Yeah, right.
Babe, no, go eat
Yeah,
it.
right. What?
Go eat it.
Yeah, right. What?
Go eat it.
Eat what?
The potatoes and sardines.
Potato and sardines blend up.
Y'all, he has to go. I almost called y'all babes. He has to go eat potatoes and sardines blended. Babe, go eat.
May I drink my shot?
You
Potato blended
Yes.
sardines.
You never know how it tastes.
Man,
It might be a good combination.
May I drink my shot?
Ooh, shit. Oh,
Ah!
oh. Good God.
Woo! Not today, son.
All right, y'all, pray for me. Pray for me, baby. Pray for me, sugar.
Okay, here I come. This.
Ow, mother.
Damn.
Can I swing again? I think that was kind of rigged a little bit.
What was gonna rig? You better drink that shot.
Y'all know I don't do
Feel
good
it in my
with
chest.
I don't do good with alcohol.
Feel it in my chest. That one there.
See, it smells good, but then when you drink it, it deceives you. Nuh-uh, you put some Hennessy in there. Trick me. Bottoms up, everybody.
Bottles is
Can I
up.
take this?
I might have to drink.
Nah, I don't want to cheat.
That's up to you.
I don't want to cheat.
I'm giving her the benefit of the doubt. You know what I'm saying? You want me to feel that one in
This
my
is a
chest?
shot to me.
I feel that one in my chest, bro.
It's like I feel nauseous. I'm gonna kick your ass. My God. Walk home.
Alright, my turn, 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 my turn. Alright,
Shot!
we're gonna skip that.
Why?
What do you mean? You keep running on shot. Oh, you want me to drink?
Spin again.
No. Hell no. Hell no, we can drink. We gonna pass over down the lamp one.
Ooh. Why you did that like mouthwash? Babe, swallow it. Mmm. I seen that little vein pop up right there. Yo, what's that man, Miss Larry? Oh my God. Okay, let's do it again. I think this one just want me no sexy text some people.
No shot, right?
Call it Granny a B? I gotta call her?
Nah, that's cheating, bro. I feel like y'all, you always do that though. I feel like y'all always do that.
Fine, take a shot. Damn.
That's up to you. Go on, do it. You ain't gotta listen to me.
I'm like, what's up, B?
That's up to you. It's up to you. What you guys think?
I
What you guys
ain't
think?
gonna disrespect my grand. She gonna smack me in the mouth.
I feel like that's all females talking about at the age.
Nah, Granny gonna smack me in the mouth.
What?
I can call her girl. I can call her girl all day, but if I curse, y'all won't see me no more. I'm telling y'all, the next video I see is your money at my funeral. I'm telling you. That's the next video y'all gonna see from us. Alright, shot time. Babe, put me some of that juice because I need some ammunition. I'm gonna need some fuel when I get done with this. Go on. There you go, right there.
The one that hit that chest, man. The one that hit our chest, you know. Whoa, the one that hit our chest. Just sweet. Alright. So
Last one.
My last one is?
Yep, and then that's it.
Boy, God. Hell no!
Let me call Granny.
Go who? Y'all me drink is what pink today?
Y'all, he landed on calling Granny the B word.
So you want me to drink or I spin? It's up to you now.
Duh. You can't spit no more.
That's the one?
You can either drink or call her.
Yeah, I'm gonna drink. Damn, bro, this shit. I'm gonna chest the last time.
Drink, chuck the whole thing.
Chuck them, chuck it. Remember this on the camera in about chuck. Chuck what? You chuck it.
I'm not chucking that. I'll just do my tongue.
Ooh, I'm gonna take a look at it. Ooh.
Woo.
Wow.
That wasn't nothing. That was a shot. Y'all, he took a sip. Alright guys, this is the end of the video here.
I feel like we didn't end up on a banger, you know.
We'll end up on the
Come on, it's ready. One more spin. One more spin.
One more spin.
One more spin.
Okay.
Stop lamp on something different. Stop lamp on something different.
Shot.
Come on, spin again.
Okay.
Alright, spin one more time if you don't land with me, spin again.
Shot.
Hey, box side. Come on, me spin.
You gonna spin?
Me spin.
He gonna spin, y'all. Eat potatoes and stuff. It's destined for you to do this.
No, I'm not doing that.
Okay, spin again.
I can't drink. No,
Oh, you
I'm
can't
not even want to drink, yo.
So
No!
yes! Ooh, this gonna eat all. Hell yeah. Ooh, get me up there. Put me up there.
Yo!
Ah! Yeah, baby. He thought he could get me with the ice bath. I'm finna like this. Let's go.
Where we gonna go?
In the shower.
Get to the
Get to the shower.
I'm not standing in that water.
Yeah.
I'm not standing in that water. Jesus.
I'm finna. Yeah. Go. Let's go.
Go where?
Y'all, we'll be right back when we get in the shower. Peace. All right, guys, we are now in the restroom. I don't know if y'all can see me, but we are now in the restroom. I'm going to do this.
Guys, I want to let this water out, but you don't want to let it out.
No, he got to stand in that water.
Yo, this is cold.
That's how we're going to end on the banger.
This is cold.
Because he might slip and fall. He might, you know.
This is cold. This is cold.
Yeah, I'm putting the whole thing. I'm like,
Oh, no, babe, this is cold, dog. Babe, I have to let us some water.
no, it wasn't cold.
Babe, I have to let us some water.
No, it wasn't cold,
Babe, I have to let us some water.
It wasn't cold, though. He
Babe,
thought I was playing with him.
some water.
Mm-mm,
No.
Okay.
Alright, you ready? Come on, ready? Come, I'm not stopping this all day. Come on.
Are y'all?
No, man, no, we can't even put them already. Oh,
Get that down.
Babe, how you sit on this?
Yeah, now you want to sit, huh?
Yo, this
All right, guys.
This cool with me. This cool. Yeah, how much y'all put?
Don't worry about all that.
No, you can't put too much.
I ain't put too much because I don't see them. All right, guys, I got 4. I don't know if y'all can see that. Hold on, wait. I got 4. I'm gonna drop all of them in this thing. I don't know if y'all can see me. I'm gonna drop all these things in here. I'm gonna just spray him real good. If he get on the floor, he gotta clean it up. Yeah. Y'all like my hair? Majestic Melanie hair. Kiki straight.
Never about my life right now.
Oh, my bad. Let me move this.
Oh my goodness, bro. This a 2-in-1 me I get it up. A 2-in-1 this it up.
What you talking about?
Me I freeze my foot and me I get Mentos.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Ready? Y'all ready? 1,
Yo.
2.
Wait, no, man. No, wait.
Bam. Come on, let's go.
No, wait, no, man. Wait, no, me not ready yet. Me not ready.
You better get ready. Y'all, he said it wasn't cold though, but that big old block of ice right there.
Cool your fridge. What you see that deep freezer? It's cool.
Let's close. Ready?
Babe, come on.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2. Yeah. Y'all look at this. Yeah, baby. Yeah, how you feeling? How you feeling, Mr. Bennett?
Guys, the video done.
Yeah, y'all. Y'all see that big old chunk of ice right there? That sucker right there, boy, lit up the whole tub. Y'all, Javon clean that up because it's like everywhere. Yep, it's everywhere. 1, 2, 3, not it.
Huh?
I'm not it. I ain't cleaning it up. Alright guys, we finna end the video right here. If y'all liked our little challenge video, yes, so y'all like our challenge video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know if I'm posting another video. Baby gang, we out. Peace.